and he's basically gotten out. He left it to somebody else. It's like, I want to be there when this thing goes bad. Right. So he left it to somebody else. I want to go out on a good note. And that's what he did. So we're going to see this thing, crash in a way that's never been seen before. But before that, we're going to see the stock market go up like we've never seen it go up before. Right. Now, anything could happen. There could be, nuclear attack, or, the earth splits in two or something crazy, that would, maybe set it off sooner. But I don't think so. I don't get it. I think we're still going to have pretty significant earth change events, but I think most of them are going to be in 27. 26, they're going to kick up as they have been, higher and higher. I think this weekend we may see some pretty good activity because we saw some very, very significant sunspot activity that blasted a lot of energy our way, and it's supposed to start coming in tomorrow and this weekend. So stand by. Could be some little shaky and some volcanic activity. I don't think tsunami yet, but I think it's coming. I think we're going to a bigger one than we had last year. Everything's going to be, I think, at some point bigger this year, right? It's a lead up to the mega quakes and mega earthquakes and mega tsunamis, I think, of next year, right? Could come sooner, right? Could. Anything's possible. We're going to see, like I said, the early part of last year, I said this year we would have in the Midwest some pretty significant drought. I think that's what we're moving into probably the next month or two. So this summer is probably going to be pretty hot in some places. Now, last week we had snow here, right? We could still get snow. I don't know. I don't think so, but that's the way it kind of works here. But I think next year will be atmospheric rivers galore all along the West Coast, filling up all the reservoirs. Maybe they won't come soon enough because California will still try and burn California, right? I don't know. We'll see. But we have, probably after the election stolen, then they'll start burning California because they want everybody to go, well, California's burning and you guys caused it. We're going to make sure you're not going to be our mayor or our governor. And so they'll just wait till after they're firmly in there. There'll be a little bit of protesting, but Californians, they don't protest much. And they'll protest for a little while and then they go to the beach, right? And there's Californians don't like to go to the voting place, so they do mail-in ballots. 88.8%, even though Californians should know by this point that mail-in ballots are corrupted, right? They don't care. It's more convenient. It's not convenient to, demonstrate. So it's beach time. It's beach time, party time, grill time, and maybe next year or the year after or whenever the next election is, maybe we'll get somebody in office that will do the right thing. Meanwhile, God's like, I gave you a chance. I'm just going to you guys are going to the sea, right? I'm going to rock you into the sea, and whatever's left, I'm going to tsunami you. So I don't know.